The Simplicity Satin 197 sewing machine. This is very good for the beginner sewer. It comes with accessories. Comes with two sewing patterns. One is for a bag and the other one is for a dress. It also comes with a manual, a foot control with the mains, and also a dust cover. There's also the table extension for when you're sewing a very large garment. It's advisable to always read your manuals to get used to the controls of your sewing machine. There is a storage compartment which you can pull out, and it contains various accessories. Extra thread spool, sewing foot, sewing needles, screwdrivers, zipper foot, thread spool, extra bobblings, button foot, hem foot, also contains a seam ripper and a button foot sewer. It's got speed control. It also has auto stop, thread ripper, automatic threader. There are more than 20 patterns, many of which you might end up not using. You've also got the guides where you can pull them out. You can adjust the width and the height of your stitches. The main connection point is at the back. I'm just going to connect it now. see the lights off, and also there's the light bulb at the sewing foot. I'm just trying out the various functions, like for example the speed, trying it from slow to fast, which is very good depending on what you're sewing. If you're sewing a very difficult fabric, it's always advisable to move slowly, but maybe if you're doing a straight stitch, you can move as fast as you want. I forgot to add that you also have a start-stop button. That way you don't need to use the foot control, but in case you want to use the foot control, the connection is at the back. And always switch off the controls before you plug in anything or add in any accessories. There's a dust cover which fits snugly when it's not in use, and it also has a compartment where you can put the manual or the plugs and the foot controls.